they say blow up something? Blow something up?
Be gentle now. Oh, yeah. Don't touch anything. What's over there, Luke? Yeah, you're good. Please, anything. I know how that thing works.
I don't have a clue, but he went and put a button on something.
Ah!
Kyle, you got your hands off?
Hold it back, Rob.
What two buttons do I press?
Hold on, we don't know yet. Don't press
Not
anything
yet.
for now.
When you gonna see
When
the lights?
everybody moves away, then we're going to try to figure it out, okay?
You might go up in the sky with that.
This is saying here.
I know it's gonna go
No, but you might go up in the sky with it also.
It might disappear.
I'm like nervous.
I'm too. I'm so nervous. I feel like
I'm
it's
nervous
gonna
with you
crash.
holding that in your hand and then with the rocket.
Oh, wait. What channel are we on? NBC?
HBO. Hold on. I'm not sure. Ollie, you done this. I think you just press both of them.
I think you want to hit this first and then hit that behind. Give the
I brought the wrong instructions. Hold them both.
hit that down hard
And you can.
and then hit. There you go.
That worked. It totally worked. Ah, that's awesome.
There you go.
Get it, Tyler. Be gentle. Because the.
You got it.
Gentle.
Yeah.